Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt, and today we're up here on the property doing a little mowing, even though it doesn't probably really need it, but we're trying to just stay ahead of things. But anyway, we're up here mowing. I'm going to do a couple little chores up here as well, including trimming and whatnot. But we're going to be putting an exterior outlet here because in previous videos you saw that we installed a camera behind our steel building. It's not picking up the Wi-Fi signal, so what we're going to do is put a Wi-Fi extender outside. So to do that, I need to put an outlet out here with a waterproof box. So that's what we're going to work on today. Come along for the ride. All right, guys. So here's what we're using. This is an exterior, weatherproof, resistant box cover. So that'll go up here. And our outlet being inside of that. This is designed as a 2-gang box, but what I'm going to probably do is turn it sideways. That way we can get the Wi-Fi extender in there. So we'll see what happens. This may not even be the right thing for the job, but we're going to see what happens. Again, this is not a how-to video. This is just what I'm doing. So I've shut the power off to this at the breaker panel. So there's no power in here, so we're safe to just go ahead and do what we got to do. And we're going to go ahead and get started on that now. So you can see this box over here. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this box off the wall, get behind it, and we're going to create some pigtails. And that way we can use this big box back here as a junction box to get power out to this line here. So to do that, we're going to pull these screws off to get to the outlet and to the main electrical wire, and then we'll create some pigtails. So let me get the tools to do that. You'll probably hear the tractor running around. My wife's mowing. So here we go. Huh? It might be just too short. Well, it did cut through here. It cut through here. Well.
So I picked up some more big stuff that has a pile, but and I keep getting stuck up there. I think it held water.
Oh.
I had to use the bucket a couple times to pull my way out. Like it was legit stuff, and up here by this front gate, it got stuck up there.
Nice.
Oh, sorry, are you recording?
Yeah, that's fine. Just talking about what we're doing, trying to do.
I'm doing the hard stuff. He's doing the easy stuff.
You could do the electrical.
I don't want to die. Oh, you're gonna put it right here? That's cool, because then it'll face.
That's kind of what I was thinking. Is on that side, it'll be a nice straight shot in. So.
What do you think about in the cabin the BiSat router thing?
Mm-hmm.
What if we did it right there under the bed on my side? That way it's not sitting on that table. I think that's why it gets unplugged and messes up, because every time I open a drawer or move it,
Whatever you want to do.
and then I'll hook the net gear up, and then that can sit on the table because it's a lot smaller. You know, all they can see is your back, right?
Well.
You want me to move the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I don't even want to know what was just on me.
Pigtails. Huh?
I said I don't want to know what was just on me.
All right, so there's our box. I'm actually gonna clip these down, make these a little shorter because they're just way too long. And then we're gonna do some pigtails. Actually, we gotta push our other wire through, and then we'll do pigtails for the outlet out here. So what I've done is I've already skinned down this wire here, and then we'll make some pigtails out of that. I gotta push my other wire through here. Should be enough room. Now we should be able to get them through. All right, that's good. We can skin that off. Don't take me for electrical advice. Consult a licensed electrician. I cannot be liable for your mistakes. There's our PSA. Man, it is warm today. Whew. All right, so I'll go ahead and strip these down now. Oh man, did I cut the wire? Crap, I cut the insulated wire. Well, shoot. And that's why it's not do what I do video. Because I done did it wrong. Now I gotta start over. Yep, that's why I'm a hack. I'm not an electrician. Alright, so we got our pigtails. Now we'll make our pigtail. There we go. Probably can't see that, but there we go. Got our wire nut on. It's covered up any exposed metal, which is what we want. So now we'll take this and bend it out of our way. Take our neutrals, which are our white. We're going to do the same thing to those. Okay, we got a wire nut on there. Nice and secure. So now we can push our wire nuts back into place and here in the box. Oh yeah. And then we can reattach. We can reattach this. So let's see. Put you here. You probably couldn't even see any of that, which kind of defeats the point. But whatever. All right. So we need to attach our ground, which is on the bottom of this outlet. And then we need to attach our hot and our neutral. Gold. Black. And we gotta trim just a smidge off of that. Tighten that up. There we go. Our white will come over here. If it ain't sweat dripping my eyes, it's bugs in my eyes. For whatever reason, this doesn't want to go in. There we go. Now it's in. Alright. So now we can take these nuts and these wires and push them back in here into our box. Alright guys, I changed up plans. Came inside, did a junction box in here because the box outside was just too small to accommodate that. So did a junction box inside. We'll put a 2-gang cover on that and seal that up. But yeah, again, don't do what I'm doing. Alright, so as I showed you, we are going with a completely different plan. This box outside is just too small to accommodate all those wires and wire nuts and everything. So we're just gonna come out here and do it this way. It's much better than it was. All right, good deal. So now we can put our box back on. All right. Okay, there we go. One major tribulation taken care of.
Woohoo!
All right, now put this other one up. All right, so now we're coming over here. And we're going to install the box there. Maybe. All right, so I have an exterior box on here. It's not the right one. This isn't the right one. What I have isn't the right part to do this job. But I really need to get this out here while we're up this weekend. So it's gonna have to work for the time being. So that's what we're doing. We'll figure out a way to cover it up so it's more water resistant until we can fix it and do it right next time. But I mean, it's a GFI outlet on a GFI breaker, so I'm not all that worried about it. Screw it into this box for the time being. Well, put the power on, see if we blow anything up. There we go. The whole reason we did this is for this thing, which is a Wi-Fi extender. go. That's power. Whew. All right, well, it ain't pretty, but it works. I gotta figure something out to make that better though. Oh, probably like a clear plastic tote or something. We'll just screw over it. You listening to me? All right, guys, so that was a lot harder than I thought it would be for some reason. I don't know why it was, but anyway, we've got our Wi-Fi extender functioning. We'll figure something out to kind of waterproof this thing for the time being till we get the correct thing we're looking for. But that's gonna wrap it, guys. Just a quick video of what we're doing up here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, as it does help the channel out greatly. And that was a really bad exit, so I'm just gonna redo it. All right, guys, thanks for checking us out as always. If you liked what you saw here, give us that thumbs up button, as it does help out the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so on your way out the door. That would help us out as well. Again, guys, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you here next time.